once he said Molotov cocktail. This is a kind of MB cocktail, which is marring the situation in Bengal. Violence has become a norm rather than an exception. The responsibility for this lies squarely on the Home Minister, the Police Minister and the police.
हमारा तो लिंचिंग, हमारा गवर्नमेंट जब लिंचिंग का खिलाफ जो एक बिल बनाया था, एक कानून बनाने का कोशिश कर रहा था, वो भी तो गवर्नर हाउस में, राजभवन में वो डिले हो रहा है. तो हम लोग, हमारा सरकार, ममता दीदी का सरकार कुछ करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, राजभवन डिले कर रहा है और उस लोग अब बड़ा बड़ा बात बोल रहा है. ये तो ठीक नहीं है.
Another flashpoint between the ruling Trinamool Congress and the West Bengal governor over several incidents of public flogging and lynching that have been reported from across the state.
From my discussions and sharing of experience with the victims who met me, I have come to the realization Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Bengal is not a safe place for women to live in.
Actually, this bill should have received the assent of the governor. Had the governor given assent to this bill, the instances of mob lynching would have certainly not happened in West Bengal, because there would have been some fear psychosis among the people who dared to kill people by lynching.
The West Bengal government has given directions to increase vigilance and take strict action against anyone who takes the law into their hands.
We are all sorry about such incidents and we must all remain vigilant. No compensation is of course enough in such cases for the bereaved families. However, as a gesture of economic support to the affected families, one special Home Guard's job will be offered and provided to the next of kin of every victim. A sum of rupees 2 lakh will also be provided as economic solution to each such family.
Innocent people suffer massive trauma or even lose their lives in cases of street justice reminiscent of the medieval ages. Public flogging or lynching is simply not acceptable in a modern society, and while the governor of West Bengal blames the government for the law and order situation, the Trinamool has hit back saying that the Raj Bhavan has simply sat on a law specifically designed to deal with such cases, and therefore the governor must also share responsibility for these incidents. With camera person GD Shankar in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.